Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, this is Veronica and I'm Ryan.
And we are outside of Füssen, Germany.
Yeah, we're here at the Neuschwanstein Castle, which you guys are familiar is the inspiration of Walt Disney's castle. So I think the plan is we'll give you guys a little bit of a tour of obviously the castle itself and then around it. The bridge is newly reopened, and then we'll show you where to get the tickets. And then there is a carriage that takes you up to the top, which I know you're interested in checking that out. We'll see if we can do that, if that's feasible or not. We'll show you guys around a little bit and then show you the Fairytale castle. We'll see you guys up there.
See you out there.
So first things first, we ended up parking down the hill there in the parking lot 3.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit of a hike up to get to the ticket center here. Go ahead and get your tickets in here. We made a little bit of a mistake.
We got our tickets before we came here.
Yeah, I bought the tickets.
Didn't make it in time.
Yeah, and then we had a little traffic on the way, so we ended up having to buy new tickets. About $15 each, not a big deal.
Yeah.
So just plan accordingly. Try not to get anything, or try not to cut it too close. We were supposed to be here in 2 hours, but then had a lot of traffic. A lot of people going slow on the way over from Meersburg.
To go up.
Yeah, and you still have to get up to the top, so you got to plan for that.
Yeah.
But man, that view is just something else.
I know.
We're coming in, we're kind of prepared for it. That's the thing is when you watch videos and photos and whatnot, it doesn't do it justice.
It does not do it justice.
We're gonna go ahead and catch a ride up to the top and then see what we can see up there.
Can we start going up there?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it.
That worked out nicely. So that carriage takes you pretty much to this little hub area. They've got a restaurant here. I think it's just a little further bit of a walk to get to the entrance where our tour is. It's gonna be interesting because apparently the inside was never actually finished.
See, I did not know that.
Yeah. I love all the architecture out here.
I know, me too.
Look at this building right here. I know. The old accordion. Make no mistake, it's still a trek to get up to the top of the carriage stop.
I know, I'm all out of breath.
Oh, look, you can see the lake back there.
Oh, wow.
The views here are crazy. All right, we're gonna make the entrance. Cameras have to go off, masks on. They are still requiring masks indoors here. Turn the camera off now. See you guys on the other side. That was pretty cool.
Look outside.
So the tour of the inside was pretty nice. You can definitely see it's very fancy inside.
Okay, the views, anywhere we go.
Look at this.
That is insane.
There's the bridge over there. Might try to make a walk over there.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that
That would
view.
be nice. And then you get the castle, the other castle right there.
Yeah, there's Neuschwanstein Castle down there, and then that's the lake.
Wow, that's so beautiful.
Dang.
That is insane.
I know. Again, it's another one of those things where the pictures just don't do it justice. I'm sure this video probably won't do it justice at all.
Not at all.
How's the view behind us, huh? Yeah. Ooh, it's hard to beat this.
I know.
All right, let's go. Let's head over to the bridge, and then after that, we'll grab lunch.
Okay.
Deal?
Deal.
A nice overview of the castle and what it was supposed to be. So there's the entrance down there. And they took us all the way up to the top there. Feels like we're in some underground tunnels. I think we are. It feels nice.
It's so nice. The AC's blast in.
Yeah. So that is where we just were, that view. So you can see the balcony there.
Oh, that's the view? That's where we were? Wow.
So now, think we're gonna make our way over to the bridge, MARIENBRÜCKE, which we got lucky because they just recently opened that back up.
Oh, really?
So let's go check it out.
I know, it looks cool.
Yeah. I think we may have underestimated how much energy we'll be exerting today.
I know. I wasn't expecting to go on a hike today.
Yeah. A lot of uphill walking. And fortunately, so there's like this hub right here, and the bus does pick up right here.
That's good. We're taking the bus.
We go up this way, go check out the bridge, come back, take the bus down, go grab some food,
I'm hungry.
and then head to our Austria hotel.
Yeah.
Here we go. They recently closed this for safety reasons. They had to do some restructuring.
Oh, really? Oh, well, that's
Just,
good.
yeah, they just reopened it like within the past month. I hear the rushing water down there.
Yeah.
You go ahead and decide to brave the 15-20 minute uphill sweaty hike from the base of the castle there. This is the view that's worth it.
It is.
This is what you're rewarded
You're just going to be in pain for a little bit, but it's temporary. It'll go away. It's worth it.
I think that lake back there, they were saying that's the largest man-made lake in Germany. That's so far down. That's probably a couple hundred feet. You go grab some food?
Yes. I'm hungry.
Yeah, we worked up a hunger.
I know,
We're gonna go
I was
ahead.
going to say all that activity, the exercise made us hungry.
Let's go ahead and head down and go grab some food. I think I picked out a nice little lunch spot for us down by where we parked, so let's go eat.
Oh, okay.
A lot of talk online about Neuschwanstein not being really worth it. I mean, it is a little pricey, but I mean,
I thought it was worth it.
it doesn't really have the history, but it is interesting because King Ludwig is the one who commissioned this, and he only lived in it for so long. But they did give us a nice tour of the inside and showed us about like the different rooms and like his even his bedroom.
Yeah.
And he only lived in it. Yeah, he only lived in it for like maybe half a year before he died. Yeah, or before he was most likely killed, but nobody really knows.
That was the one in the tour, like somewhere he went on the lake.
Yeah, they found supposedly he had drowned, but he didn't have any water in his lungs. So, he did leave a lot of beautiful buildings for us to enjoy, and that was one of them.
Yeah.
So that was one of his last things.
Everything here on this trip has been beautiful.
Definitely very geared towards tourists. Obviously, it's a very popular tourist destination, but it's definitely still worth checking out. It may not be worth it if it's a full day affair. Like if you're going to take a full day to come here, that might be a lot, but. For us, we're kind of just stopping along the way. We do have that luxury because we are road tripping. Definitely worth it for us. Now, time to eat.
I'm so ready for food.
I know, right? Miss that view.
I know, I can't stop staring at it.
Take it in while you can. Shoot. All right, we're starving.
It looks really good.
Yeah, we're running low on energy. It's time to fuel up a little bit. So we got some traditional German food here. We got some like grilled sausages with some sauerkraut here, and it looks like a curry sauce kind of going on. Then we got
a pretzel.
Of course, I had to go with the pretzel.
And then it comes with some cheese.
Yeah, what is all this?
That cheese looks good.
Cheese and some veggies.
I know, it's like a salad. Yeah. And then some bread.
Some bread to go with. We got some water, of course, and then some soda. So we're here at Ludwig's Stew Barrel. All right, let's dig in.
Let's dig in.
All right, that about does it for us from Castle Neuschwanstein here in Germany, and it's about the end of our Germany part of this trip, the Bavarian trip.
Yeah.
So
off to our next destination.
Which is an Austrian hotel. It's a 12th century castle, and it's Ludwig's favorite vacation spot. So we're quite excited for that.
Yeah.
That sounds like something you guys are interested in. Be sure to subscribe and then stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, hope you guys enjoy the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.